Hello friends, happy Wednesday. I hope you guys are doing fine today. I'm outside on my patio right now because the weather is so nice. I don't know if it's too bright for you guys to see, but the weather is so nice today. I will be taking Jade out for a walk. But anyways, let's get the show on the roll. Let's do calendar. Sorry friends, I had to kick Jade out because I didn't want her interrupting our calendar and our not Christmas, our calendar song. So let's go ahead and let's figure out what month we're in. Let's see. We are still in the month of April. We are still in the month of April, and the letter starts with the letter. I'm gonna do it in sign language too. The letter is A. April starts with the letter A. Let's figure out what day we are in the week. I said it in the beginning of the video. I don't know if you guys remember. It starts with the letter W. W in sign language. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. And it is April Wednesday the 22nd. The 22nd. So 22. So it's April Wednesday the 22nd, friends. So let's get our cookers ready. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 I did forget to mention that it is still spring. We are still in the season of spring, friends. I talked about the weather in the beginning of the video. It is pretty nice out. Been sunny basically all day. It's pretty warm too. You can start wearing your little t-shirts and spaghetti straps and your shorts and your dresses because it's starting to get a little warm. Okay. Now, friends. So, it was Earth Day, and we're just going to talk about the Earth, because this whole week we're just going to talk about Earth Week. We're going to call it Earth Week. Can you guys tell me how we can help the Earth? How can we make the Earth healthy and strong? I know when it comes to candy wrappers or any type of trash, when you guys have trash, usually what do you do with your trash? You throw them in the garbage. But then we also have the recycle, which is blue, the compost, which is green, and then the trash, which is black. But usually we just throw it in the trash. That's what we do with our garbage, right? Now, if you don't throw it in the garbage and you just throw it out the window or you just throw it on the ground, that's called littering. We don't like littering. We don't litter because that makes the earth sad and it makes the earth dirty, and we don't want that. We want to keep the earth nice and clean. So we are going to do an activity in a little bit about recycling. I just want to get you guys a heads up about it. Right now, I'm going to go grab a book, and we are going to go read a book. Now, the book I'm going to read to you guys is called Little Cloud. Again, earlier I was mentioning that it was nice out. There's not too many clouds out. but I'm sure there will be maybe clouds later on or in a little bit. If you guys have a chance, I think you should be able to go in your patio or your backyard and look up at the clouds. And sometimes clouds, they make pretty good shapes. And sometimes in the cloud you might see a smiley face, or you might see a dog, or you might see a fish. There can be different shapes and sizes when it comes to clouds. So we're going to read this book right here first. And it's called Little Cloud. The clouds drifted slowly across the sky. Little Cloud trailed behind. So all these big clouds are up here, and then we have this little cloud down here. The clouds brush upward and away. Little Cloud pushed downward and touched the top of the houses and trees. So usually when you guys see fog, that's when the clouds are coming downwards. And that is how we end up with fog, is when the clouds are lowering downwards. The clouds moved out of sight. Little Cloud changed into a giant cloud. So Little Cloud changed into a big giant cloud. Little Cloud changed into a sheep. Sheeps and clouds sometimes look alike. Do you think sheeps and clouds look alike? I think so. They're both white. They're both fluffy. Little Cloud changed into an airplane. Little Cloud often saw airplanes flying through the clouds. Little Cloud changed into a shark. Little Cloud once saw a shark through the waves of the ocean. Little Cloud changed into 2 trees. Little Cloud liked the way trees never moved and stayed in one place. Little Cloud changed into a rabbit. Little Cloud loved to watch rabbits dash across the meadows. Then Little Cloud changed into a hat because Little Cloud changed into a clown and needed a hat. The other clouds drifted back. They huddled closer together. Little Cloud, they called, come back. Little Cloud drifted towards the clouds. Then all the clouds changed into one big cloud, and then it rained. The end. So friends, as I was saying with clouds, if you have the chance to go outside and see all the different shapes and sizes of the clouds, and it is pretty cool. Especially it's nice outside too. I think it should be perfectly fine to look at clouds. Hopefully you guys have clouds where you're at. I don't see many over here right now. Okay, so let's move on to our activity. So our activity, we was talking about trash, how we want to keep our earth nice and clean. So when you guys were eating your food, or if you had your snacks, you guys will always come up to me, Miss Kirsten or Michelle, and ask, where does this one go? What color does this one go? What color does this trash go? Or sometimes you guys already know which one it goes into, and you guys just put it right in the green, or right in the blue, or right in the black. You guys do a very good job, and I just want to do it over again. Make sure you guys remember which trash goes in which bin color. Okay? So remember, black, what is black? Black is trash. Black is garbage. Remember what green is? Green is compost. That's where all the food and napkins go in. Blue. What is blue? Blue is recycle bin. So that's where all the plastic, all paper, and bottles go in. So I'm going to pull out different items. If you guys have the chance, I want you guys to get black paper, green paper, and blue paper. If you already have a black bin, green bin, and blue bin, that would be so awesome. I just don't have it at home. I just have a garbage and a recycling bin, but it's not blue, and I don't have a compost. So this is what I'm going to show you guys. This is how I'm going to demonstrate. But if you guys have the actual bins at home, great, that is awesome. Let's see what we're going to pull out first. So let's pull out this wrapper. Where do you think this candy wrapper is going to go in? Is candy wrapper food? No, it's not food, so it wouldn't go in the green. Is candy wrapper gonna go in the blue? Is it plastic? No. Candy wrapper is gonna go in the trash because it's trash. It came from a candy and people are unraveling it, and we're just gonna throw it right in the trash because we don't recycle this. We're not gonna reuse this. So that's gonna be garbage. What about this cup? This plastic cup. Usually when we have our parties and we put your guys' orange juice or apple juice or any type of fruit juice in your cups and you guys are finished, done drinking it, and then do you usually put it in the black? No. Do we put it in the green? No, we put it in the blue. This plastic cups you guys are going to put in the blue. What about a fork? A fork is plastic. It is plastic, but we are not going to recycle a fork. Is fork food? No, fork is not food. You can't eat it. So we're just gonna throw it in the garbage. It goes right in the garbage. What about tissue? If I blow my nose, wipe my face or my tears if I'm crying, what am I gonna do with it after? Am I gonna put it in the green? Is tissue, can you eat tissue? Ew, no, we don't wanna eat tissue. What about blue? Are we gonna recycle this and then reuse it again? Definitely not. We don't want to reuse it again, so we're gonna throw it right in the garbage, right in the black. We don't want that. Okay. What I have here is lettuce. Where's lettuce gonna go? Is it gonna go in the garbage? No, lettuce is not gonna go in the garbage. It's gonna go in the blue. No, it's not gonna go in the blue. It's food. So if you guys didn't finish eating all your food, sometimes we don't finish all our food. That's okay. So if you didn't finish eating your food and you have the green compost at home, you're gonna throw it right in the green compost. Not because it's green, because it matches. It's because it's food, and we always throw food in the compost. Okay? What about paper? I have paper I do not want anymore. I ripped it up and I'm done with it. So am I gonna throw it in the black? No, I'm not gonna throw it in the black. Am I gonna throw it in the green? The food, can I eat it? No, we are going to put it in the blue. We're gonna recycle it because we can use that paper again. what about this fabulous empty water bottle? What are we gonna do with this? Are we gonna put it in the black? No, it's not garbage, it's plastic. Did we eat plastic? Are we gonna put it in the green? No. We're gonna put it right in the blue bin. We're gonna recycle it. And then I also have tomato. I have these cut up tomatoes. Some of you guys might have big ones, but I have little cut up ones. What are you gonna do with these tomatoes? I don't want the tomatoes. Are we gonna put it in the black? No. In the blue? No. Green, because it's food, remember? We're gonna put it in the green. Add a little bit of cheese on it. But cheese can go in there too, because cheese is food, so cheese will go in there too. Okay. What about paper towels? What do we do with paper towels? Paper towels go in black. Some of you guys might have said yes, which is very close. Blue? No, it will go right in the green. Usually when we wipe the tables down or wipe something down with the paper towels, we throw it in the green. And then last but not least, we have this plastic knife. Are we going to put it in the green because we eat it? No. Are we going to put it in the blue? No. We are going to throw this knife right in the black garbage. And that is all my trash, all my recyclable stuff, my compost stuff that I have for today. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys learn which goes in which bin. Remember, black is garbage, green is compost, blue is recycle. I want you guys to copy my activity, go around your house, find which is garbage, find out which is compost, and find out which is recycle, where you can recycle. And you can help the earth be nice and beautiful. And that is it for the video. I will see you guys on Friday, friends. Bye.